I'm a pretty humble person, but I can say with confidence that learning to play the piano has made me better. It's given me a winning edge in life, and there's scientific evidence to prove that this is the case. Here are 5 reasons why learning to play the piano will make you better. Number 1, music makes you smarter. One of the things that science has shown is that when you're practicing an instrument, it engages all of the areas of your brain. All of them light up, all of them are working. Practice and performance require repetition. Repetition creates myelin, which forms around our nerves. Now, you might be thinking, what the heck is myelin? Myelin is like a blanket for the pathways in our brain. It allows information to travel really efficiently throughout our brain, and it keeps it safe. So the more myelin we create, the more efficiently information can pass where it needs to go. Number 2, playing the piano helps to manage stress, anxiety, and depression. Think of it as a vacation for your mind. When you're playing the piano, you get to escape to an entirely different place. You can get lost in the beautiful sounds, you can focus in on the music, and your creativity gets sparked. When we're thinking creatively, we can approach the problems and difficulties in our life with an entirely fresh set of eyes. So playing the piano will help us to manage stress in our day-to-day lives. Number 3, playing the piano gives you superhuman problem-solving powers. Think about your brain for a moment. We have our left brain and we have our right brain. Now the left brain is in charge of things like logic. You could almost think of your left brain as the science math teacher. It takes care of problem solving and logic. The right side of the brain is like the art teacher. This takes care of creativity and imagination. So what happens when we play the piano is the corpus callosum kind of activates. Now you're going, what does that mean? What that means is the corpus callosum acts as a bridge between the 2 sides of the brain, meaning that you're able to access both your creativity and your problem solving more effectively. Who doesn't want to be able to problem solve more effectively? Number 4, playing the piano is a confidence and self-esteem booster. When we work really hard at a skill and then we're able to play a song with excellence, the feeling that follows that is so amazing. That's enough to give our confidence and our self-esteem a great big boot. So learning to play the piano is excellent for developing self-esteem. Number 5, learning to play the piano can make your body healthier. Practicing the piano can increase the amount of human growth hormone that our body produces. Human growth hormone is what is in charge of muscle mass, energy, and it can even help to prevent certain degenerative diseases. So I'm not saying that practicing piano is going to provide you with the fountain of youth, but it certainly will help you towards becoming healthier. So there you have it, 5 reasons why you absolutely have to learn how to play the piano. We at Piano strive to create a learning experience that is exciting, engaging, and will help you to meet your goals whatever they are. So please, come join us so that we can help make the world a better place, one piano player at a time. Water, 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 water. See my muscles? There they are. You can't see them through my shirt, but they're there. Just got awkward. Okay.